This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. First-time homebuyer's dream. Open floor plan with spacious bedrooms and loads of natural lighting. Soft close cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. Primary bedroom, laundry room and office/flex room on first floor. Large backyard deck great for enjoying summer evenings. Detached garage with workshop. Conveniently located near interstate, military bases, airport and shopping. Washer, dryer, Ring doorbell and cameras do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.